Morning, Peter Brunt from Eagle Eye Machinery. We're at the yard here this morning. We're just going to have a look over the Kwik Till and a few of the features with the Kwik Till. We've been selling this machine for a while now, but the last 6 months we've been selling this new model, which has got some modifications, which are really making it a low maintenance machine, and the guys that have bought them are really happy with them. The first thing we probably want to talk about is the evenness of depth of ploughing that we're getting out of the machine, and the guys are really happy with that. Most of the cause of that are these high flotation tyres at the front. The high flotation tyres are just, on soft ground or wet ground, they're just still getting that really even depth and carrying the machine, and the large roller cage at the back. Now the large roller cage, as opposed to a smaller roller cage, is still breaking up the soil really well and leaving a really nice tilth for seeding, but it's less likely to block up if it is a little bit wet. But so we can set the rams at the back that are on the cage and the rams that are on the wheels at the front. The machine sits down and just sits in float in the machine, in the tractor, and we're getting really even depths, and it's going really well. The Skf bearings we use on these discs are really easy to change out. In time when they wear down, there's only 4 bolts to pull it off and whack it back on, but the Skf bearing is a high quality Italian bearing. It's going really well. We're not having any trouble with them at all. The other modification we've made is on all where the pins are, and that it's non-greasable. It's got a bush in there. It used to have greasable pins, which used to cause us a couple of headaches, but now with these bushes in there, the high wearing nylon bushes, they're going really well. So they're the main features of the Kwik Till. This is a 40-foot model or a 12-metre model. We just had a guy come and had a look at this yesterday. He was really impressed with how heavy the machine is. There's about 155 kilos per disc on this 40-foot machine. On the 26-foot machine, it actually does go up to around 170 kilos per disc, which is it's the same type of frame, but just it's got 4 wheels as well, and that it's just heavier per disc. And then we do have a Bifold model, which is, this machine probably retails around the mid 150s. So, but we do have this Bifold machine. Now it is lighter per disc. It's still got the same bearings. It's still got the same nylon. Everything's pretty much the same. It's only got 2 wheels out the front. This is a 21-foot model. They do come in 16, 18, 21 and 24.5 feet model, these Bifolds. They're a lot cheaper. This machine will sort of retail for sort of mid 80s to 90 sort of thing. 21-foot machine. It's still all top quality steel and everything about it. It's just a little bit lighter per disc. So guys who are looking for a smaller machine, and a 20-footer will probably take about 250 horsepower to pull it really well. You need between 10 and 15 horsepower per foot to pull the machines. Same with a 40-foot. I mean, a 40-foot machine really will take 500 plus horsepower. This machine here will take about, you can pull it with 220 to 270 horsepower and pull it really well. The machines are going really well. Just in one pass, guys are getting a really nice seed bed. It's saving them, if they're offsetting, chisel ploughing and boarding or levelling the paddock, they're getting all those jobs done with this. It'll plough between 1 inch deep, right down to 6 inches deep, and we're getting really good performance out of it. So if you'd like to come and have a look at the Finley yard, or give us a call, or look on the website eagleeye.com.au, give us a call on 0358 832 391. Come and have a look at the machines or have a look on the internet. They're ploughing on the internet and that, so come and have a look at that, and we can look after you.